Hi, my wonderful ladies out there. So many of you have received flowers, right? And that's the reason why I'm wearing this outfit. It's so flowery. And my makeup, if you just want to know how I achieved this entire look, you can just go on to my Instagram. I just took the blush challenge and I took that, and it just turned out to be flawless. And one more thing that I want to share is I have got this eyelashes from Amazon. I'll just tag it over here. These are super amazing. I mean, I was just jingling up for buying something really affordable and testing out the products on Amazon, because I think apparently there was an Amazon sale going on, and I just got those lashes and it costed me around 200 bucks. And oh my god, that was really very easy to apply, and just have a look on how they actually appear, and I think they are amazing. They're looking amazing on me. So yeah, if you just want to go and you are a beginner, you want to try new lashes, you can just go on and buy those. I'll tag a link on my bio for the purchase. So yeah, let's get started for the video. The video is all about Valentine's Day. Come on, let's break it up for the new generations, for the lovers out there. So Valentine's Day is here and we might have received flower petals, right? And the whole topic of the video is rose petals. I mean, it's not about Valentine's Day, come on. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so before jumping into the creation of the whole rose water, I just want to talk about what are the benefits. Why are we at the first place creating rose water for our skin? What rose water actually does to your skin. So rose water for skin is known for its ability to balance natural oils, reduces the appearance of temporary redness, hydrates your skin naturally, provide antioxidant protection, diminishes the look of fine lines and wrinkles. I mean, wow. If we are just throwing off those petals, I mean, what are we gonna get in return? So if you are over here receiving roses quite frequently and you've gotta have a very nice boyfriend, you gotta make this rose water for yourself as well as him, so that both of you can shine bright, babies. I'm gonna also show you how I use it, not just spraying it over my face, but also using it with my moisturizer and also using it as an eye pad for my eyes. Let's get started. Okay, so basically what I have done is I have taken red roses and I have soaked them overnight. It's been, I think, 2 days. I've soaked them in water, in good water. Don't take tap water, because that water is gonna go to your face. So boil it before doing it, or take the RO ka pani and just have it. We don't want to have that dirty water going inside the pores of our skin, right? So yeah, I'm just gonna soak all the, it smells amazing. I'm just gonna soak all the flower petals that I've kept in, and I'm gonna take a spray bottle. So basically I'm gonna take a spray bottle and transfer all the water that over here I have into that spray bottle, and there you go. Okay, so over here I've taken some rose petals, and this is the empty bottle that I've been using, the Lakme toner. So over here I am very nicely drawing all the water, and here I am closing it. You can also put the residues, and this is how I create it, by putting some rose water residues, and it smells really nice. As you saw, the process was really very easy. There was no rocket science involved in the creation of this rose water. It just, sorry. So it's just, so you will also find some small rose petals, or you know, the leftovers or the residue of roses in this rose water. Just keep it inside it. Do not throw it, or do not just, you know, filter it out, because the rose extracts are over here and it is the purest form of rose water. So now what I basically do is I use this as a makeup fixer also. Like, shake it up, and as you can see, I use it as a makeup fixer. I use it night time after cleansing my face. I use it in the morning as my daytime toner. I also use this by mixing some drops of moisturizer. So I'm gonna show you how I mix my moisturizer with rose water so that it gives me an amazing effect. Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing is I'm using the rose water that I created. So you can use any bottle that you have, the leftover bottle. I use this Lakme toner very previously, and this is the bottle that I really like because it is very handy. It comes to my bag, and that's how I'm using it. I'm in love with this moisturizer. Keeps my face matte throughout the day, and I can reapply it over my makeup as well. Whenever I feel that I have some dry areas and problematic areas under my nose, I use this basically. I'm taking 1 drop of this on my palms, and I'm gonna be using this. So it comes in a very light consistency. You can just, and there you go. It feels so soft to your skin, and you know, you will be amazed by applying something naturally derived. I mean, roses, there's nothing of any chemicals or any intermediate physical or biological reaction taking place, and you'll be able to feel the benefits after you start taking rose water to your skincare, to your makeup processes daily. So I mean, it's been a while, right? So I use this rose water over my under eye areas also. So I have these wipes. So basically, I have these wipes. I use these wipes over my eyes, and I completely wet it off by rose water. So like, if you are wearing all these false lashes, you don't just wanna face that harshness to your eye. Once you take them off, you feel that heavy pressure is over there in your eyes, right? So after you are done with your makeup, done with your day, you can just use 2 cotton pads. Just spray this rose water over these 2 cotton pads and keep it on your eyes, and there you go. Keep it for at least half an hour. Take a nap, take a sleep, listen to beautiful songs out there, and there you go. Your face will be enlightened and you will get that glow. So honestly, I have been using this naturally derived rose water since 7 to 8 months, because there has been a shift in my lifestyle. So I've just shifted my place. I am no longer living in Lucknow. So I used to live there with my parents. I'm not living with them right now. So changing your places, changing your lifestyle, changing everything, your routine, it demands some extra skincare and some extra body care, and you need to give that naturally derived chemicals to your skin. You are basically taking some natural ingredients out there from the environment, from the nature, and you're putting it to your skin. Your skin's gonna glow, baby. That's it for the video. I hope you liked it. This was a very small video, but it actually will impact your life if you start creating these skincare regimes by yourself. And do not forget to use rose water with your moisturizer, as a toner, as a makeup fixer, and gradually over a period of months, because skincare takes some time to show the results. So over a period of time, you'll start seeing the results over your face. So basically, I'm really happy to share this secret with you. And if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe. You can follow my Instagram page where I create makeup looks. The link is on that description box below.